want to build real strength and only have 2 days a week, this is the video for you. I'm Tasha, personal trainer, and today I'm going to give you a complete full body workout that covers 10 essential exercises that every beginner must master. It's simple, effective, and built for longevity. Let's get to work. I'll explain what each movement is, why it matters, and how to start safely. Then I'll show you exactly how to structure your workout, sets, reps, and weekly schedule. First up is the squat. This is one of the most important movements for longevity and independence. We'll start with the bodyweight squat and progress by adding load over time. If squatting feels challenging, put a bench behind you, sit back, and tap the bench. Or you can hold on to some TRX straps or a counter for support. The hinge is one of the most important movements to master because it trains the posterior chain. For the hinge exercise, we're going to do the Romanian deadlift. The movement is more about pushing back than bending down. A cue I use with my clients is imagine your hands are full of groceries and you're using your butt to close the car door. It is super important to learn how to hinge properly because it protects your low back. Then we have a vertical press movement. This trains your shoulders and your triceps. We'll use a neutral grip, single arm, dumbbell press. By using a neutral grip, this protects your shoulder joint more by putting it in a more stable position. And by using one arm, it reduces the overall load so you can focus on form and identify any imbalances in your arms. Then we have a vertical pulling movement for your back. Lat Pulldowns are a basic movement, but something you're going to keep in your workout routines long term. If you don't have access to a lat pull-down machine, you can also use bands. Horizontal pushing for your chest and triceps. For this one, we'll be doing push-ups. You can start with wall push-ups and progressively lower the incline using a chair or bench. The long-term goal is to do full push-ups from the floor. Horizontal pulling for your back. Here we have the chest-supported dumbbell row. This setup minimizes lower back demand, so you can focus on the muscles doing the work. The next step is bench-supported or tripod rows. This increases the demand. Lunges are one of the most overlooked and valuable movement patterns for strength and longevity. Here we have the static lunge. With this, place most of your weight on your front foot and move straight up and down. This builds leg strength, engages your core, and improves your balance. Start with body weight, then progress to adding dumbbells. Number 8 on the list, we'll add movement to our lunges. And for this exercise, it'll be alternating reverse lunges. Again, we'll be working one leg at a time, and we'll have to recruit other muscles to help keep our balance. Core flexion matters because we need to learn flexion of the spine and pelvis rotation in order to contract and control your core. We will start with controlled roll-ups and then progress to bent knee reverse crunches. This isn't just a crunch. You're going to roll your spine and lift your pelvis off the floor. The progression to this will be straight leg reverse crunches. And for this, you will focus on touching your toes to the ceiling. And number 10 on the list, an extremely important move, the carry. The farmer's carry engages your core, builds grip and hand strength, and improves overall stability. Now that you have all the movements, let's get a structured plan. You're going to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per exercise. You're going to progress only when your form is solid. Let's be able to complete all reps with good form before increasing the weight. Too light of weight won't challenge your body. Too heavy will break your form down. We want to build a solid foundation with proper progression. Full body workout A, dumbbell or bodyweight squats, single arm dumbbell press, chest supported rows, static split squat, and roll-ups. Full body workout B, Romanian deadlifts, reverse lunges, push-ups, lat or banded pull-downs, and the farmer's carry. Train 2 days a week with 1 rest day in between sessions. If you want to work out more days, just simply rotate A and B again. Goal here is to build a solid foundation. Strength, longevity, and resilience all come from mastering the basics and not chasing complexity. I'll be breaking down these movements in more detail in my upcoming videos. Subscribe if this helped, and see you on the next one.